first I wash and blend my fresh tomato and onion. Instead of frying them in the oil, I simply pour them into my pot and allow them to cook on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps to dry up the water and remove that sour tomato taste. No oil is needed. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my seasoning, curry, thyme, and blended onion to give it that rich flavor we all love. And then next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my oil, a little bit of oil, just to give it some taste, and it is optional. If you don't want, you can leave it. So after that, I'm going to stir it very well to make sure that this is what I want to get my desired results. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to add my already cooked beef. The meat will soak up all the delicious flavor from the stew. Yeah, so this is my beef. I already steam it, garnish it. You can check the video in my previous video on how you can season your beef very sweet. Okay, so once you're done, you can just add it into your stew. You don't need to really fry them because we are trying to avoid all this frying of a thing. So you can just add it and then stir it and taste it and make sure that you have the desired taste. So guys, this is a simple way you can cook your stew with minimal oil without frying. It is very healthy and delicious. So once you've gotten the needed taste, you can cover it and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. And just like that, my healthy no fry Nigerian stew is ready. Look at how rich and colorful it looks. Perfect for rice, yam, even spaghetti, and even swallow. My dear, you can do it with swallow. Try it and give me a feedback. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and healthy cooking ideas. Guys, drop a comment below if you will be trying this recipe. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching this video. I love you. Hey.